Oh, my God. Oh my God. Oh, there he is.
You're on?
Yeah. Oh my God, Christopher, he's under you.
I see him. What is it?
The biggest snook I've ever had in my life. Come here, come get my camera.
Hold on.
Come on, dude. He's fucking huge.
You gotta turn towards.
He's just taking.
You got your camera recording?
Yes, dude.
Just fucking record, dude. Focus on the fish.
Oh my God, he's huge.
Yeah, your fucking thing is huge. He just swooshed.
Oh my God, dude.
Oh my God, there's another one right there.
Yeah, cast. I'm gonna need help landing this. Oh my God, guys. Big snook
I knew it.
on the choppo. He took a lot of line.
Oh, yep. Come on.
Grab it, pop it, quick.
I am.
Move it. Action.
It is moving. It's popping.
He's behind. Oh my God, dude. No, don't go to the mangroves. He's coming under you, dude. Oh my God. There he is. Come on, baby. Come here. Come to Dad. Look at this, dude. Oh. Nice. Ooh, nice fish. I wish I had another point of view for you guys. Oh, it's a big ass jack, dude. A fucking monster.
Oh, nice one.
I gotta get the hook on. I don't want to get hooked. Yes. Oh, yeah. Woo! Guys, hear that? That's a big jack, man. Dude, look at the size of him. Get a pic. Oh, you can't even get a picture. There he goes. Dude, that was fun. That was